Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse computer skills for Class 5. Chapter 3. Advanced features of word processor. Key concepts. Advanced formatting tools like Format, Painter, Subscript, Superscript, Shadows, etc. Editing tools. Header and footer. Inserting column and column break, page break and line break. Tabs, indent text, margins, page orientation and page size, search and replace text, drawing tools, working with shapes, placing text in shapes, applying border and shading, etc. Format Painter. Use the Format Painter on the Home tabs in your making text. Headers and footers. Start numbering with 1 on a drawing various objects.
Chapter 4.
Chapter 5. An Introduction to Scratch Programming. Key concepts.